Hello and welcome. Today, we're showcasing the Stupell Industries Birds Floral Meadow Blossoms Canvas Wall Art, designed by Nan. This beautiful piece measures 20 by 16 inches and features vibrant bluebirds and delicate floral designs that bring nature indoors. Each canvas is printed with high-quality inks on premium material using advanced Mamaki printers. The artwork is hand-cut and stretched over a sturdy 1.5-inch wooden frame for a professional finish. It arrives ready to hang with no installation or hardware needed, perfect for easy decorating. Whether leaning on a shelf or mounted on your wall, this piece adds a serene and colorful touch to any space. Experience the charm of handcrafted American-made art with this stunning floral and bird design. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.